Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are healthy and safe at home. So, now let's begin our today's EVS class. And what is date today, student? Today is 9th of June. Please write down date in your copies. And currently we are in lesson number 3. Yes, you remember? And what are the things we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about taking care of our body parts. In our previous class, student, you remember we have talked about the uses of body parts, how much useful they are to us. Yes, you remember that? So now we know that body parts are so much useful to us, so much helpful to us. We do many things with our body part, isn't it? So we should take care of our body parts. Okay, and how to take care of our body part, that we are going to learn today. And later, student, we will try to understand how about some people who do not have some body parts. Okay, how and why should we take care of them, that we are going to learn today. Okay, so let's start our class with a small recap of things which we have learned in our previous classes. We have learned that our main body parts, three main body parts: head, the uppermost; trunk, the middle portion; and limbs, our arm and our leg. Okay, they are three major body part. Head is in the topmost. Yes, then even a few small body parts are also there, like eyes, nose. Eyes help us to see, nose help us to smell, mouth help us to eat and speak, isn't it? Ears help us to hear. You remember function of hair? Hair help to keep our head warm. Yes, in our head we are having brain, and brain is boss of our body. You know that, na? So our hair keeps our head warm. Okay, and what about nails here, student? They protect our tip of our finger. Yes, and our hands help us to write, hold, and do many things with our hand. We do now. And what about our legs? They help us to run, to walk, to climb, isn't it? And what is the use of neck? Neck help us to move our head. Yes, what is the use of elbow here, student? Elbow, it helps to fold my hand. Yes, knee is there. So each body part is having one or different function. Yes, and since these body parts help us to do many things which we are doing daily, so we should take care of them. Yes, so let's start learning how to take care of our body part. The first thing is, we should keep our body part clean. What? We should keep our body part clean. Now question comes, how can we keep our body part clean? Can keep our body part clean by daily taking bath. Yes, we should daily take bath. If you do not take bath, then what will happen? Germs will develop in your body and cause some skin problem or make you ill. Yes, we should daily take bath. And how can we keep clean our teeth? We can clean our teeth by brushing. Daily 2 times we should brush, in the morning and even before going to bed. Okay, in morning many of us do, yes, but some of you I know they skip their brushing their teeth at night. But student, brushing your teeth at night is also very important. You know why? Because whole night, that if whatever you eat stick to your teeth inside, and if you do not brush whole night, the germs and bacteria, they will develop there and make cavity in your teeth. Okay, so we should brush daily 2 times, and whenever we are washing hands, we should wash our hand with soap and water. And nowadays you may be seeing so many advertisement, wash your hand with soap and water for 20 seconds. Yes, student. And now just because of coronavirus, we have to be more specific about our cleanliness, isn't it? You may have seen many advertisements. Yes, now what else we can do? We can cut our nails regularly. See here, nails are there now. And when you do not cut your nails regularly, that time what happen? the many germs stick here inside your nails, this area. They got fixed there, and when you eat something, that germs, dirt and everything move inside your mouth and get to your stomach, and it may cause your stomach problem, and it may make you ill. Okay, so we should cut our nails regularly, then we should wash our face properly. Yes, and we should wash and comb our hair as well. Okay, because unclean hair may lead to hair fall. You may develop lice in your hand. Yes, and moreover, unclean hair unclean and uncombed hair do not look tidy as well. Okay, so we should regularly wash and comb our hair. We can drink lots of water regularly. Yes, drinking water is a very good thing, students. So if you drink water, your body is hydrated. Okay, and it protects us from many diseases also. And what else we can do? We can eat healthy food. Now comes, what is a healthy food? See here. Yes, okay, a healthy food means it contains all the things required for our body. Yes, in balance amount, in a proper amount. Okay, it does not means that okay, if milk is healthy, I am having milk, so I do not need to eat fruit and vegetable. That is not going to work. Everything you have to eat. Okay, and now see this one. See this one, drink milk daily. Yes, student, we should daily drink milk. The milk is very healthy food. We should daily have a glass of milk. Okay, it is going to make our bones and teeth stronger. Okay, and not only bones and teeth, it is very helpful it is very useful for other body parts also. And now see fifth one, what else we can do to keep our body healthy? We can do exercising and playing game. Okay, when we do some physical exercise or play outside, outdoor game, these make our body fit and healthy and strong. A very interesting and amazing thing, student, it is given in page number 16, that about our nose and ear. You know, these grows throughout our life. Other bones and our height, everything stop after a age. Now you are growing, but after a time your height, health and everything will be stopped there. Your bones will not grow after that, but the nose and ear, it continuously grow. Okay, and you know why? They are made up of special type of thing which are very flexible, and throughout life it grows. Okay, now student, let's come to this part of our topic, helping people who do not have some body part. Have you seen some people whose one or other body part are missing? You may have seen some people not having their eyes. Yes, some of them may not be having their limbs. Their leg may not be working properly, or they may be having any problem in their hand. Okay, they cannot walk properly, so they may be using wheelchair. Have you seen any person like this? Yes. So what you have done? Did you laugh that time? No, na? You all are very good students. Yes, student, you all are very good human being as well. Then we should never make fun of them. They have so much struggle in their life. I ask you to close your eyes with a hanky. Ask your mother to tie a hanky around your eyes. Okay. Then you say, if you are sitting in one room, try to move from that room to another room. Okay, only that much will be so much trouble. Yes, it will be very difficult to walk or do anything. You try to do it for only half an hour. Okay, then you will realize importance of our eyes. Be sensitive toward the people, those who are not having any of their body parts. We should try to help them. Yes, and see here, let me share a picture. See this boy, he's not having his hand, he's giving exam. And when you are writing with your hand, yes, you remember that time your mother tell you, please write properly with neat handwriting. We also every time tell you, you are having your both hand, you can use your hand properly to write. And just think about this boy, so much difficulty he may be having while writing, isn't it? Yes, so should we make fun of this person? No, never. We should never do these things in our life. Instead, we should try to help, whatever help you can do. See, now see this one. Now see this one, this girl, she is not having her eyes. And you can read with your eye about that girl. Could she read it? No, she cannot read from this book, okay? But these blind people, they are having different type of book, okay? Their schools are also different. And how can you help a blind person? You can help them to cross road, or you can be alert enough to ask your parents to help them to cross road as you are very small. And you can, if their stick fell down from their hand, then you can pick it up and give it back to them, or any other things also. Yes, and try to be a good human being, okay? Say along with me. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, 1 little nose, 2 little eyes, to look around, 2 little lips, to smile whole year round. Yes, very nice poem here it is given. And now let's see this question. Very easy one, maths one. Count the total number of fingers in your toes. Write down those tens and ones. Finger, how many finger? 10, isn't it? So we will write here 10. And what about toes? Toes also. Now count it in your toes. In your leg, count how many toes you are having. It will be 10. So write it down, okay? Now let's move ahead and see this question. Can you solve it? The upper portion is head. You do it. Write down here head. H-E-A-D, head. This one is trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Yes. And what is this? Hands and legs. They are called limbs. L-I-M-B-S. Limbs. Yes. Question number 13. How do hands help us? How do they help us to eat? They help us to write. They help us to hold thing. Yes, they help us to eat, to write, or to hold thing. Now see this one. Question number 14 here. What will keep our body parts clean? Not cutting nails? No. Taking bath daily? Yes. Keeping hair untidy? It is wrong. This one is wrong. The correct answer is B one. Now see this one. 15. Choose the odd one. Wash our face, drink lot of water, cut nails regularly, do not eat healthy food. So what is the odd one? Odd one is do not eat healthy food. Why? Because all other are different ways of keeping body healthy except this one. See question number 16 here. To take care of our body, we should drink what? ML is given. It will be MI. You will write here ILK, milk. Yes, drink lots of water. WATER, water. Yes, then see 17th one. Think and tell. Brushing teeth. So what will be the spelling? EETH, teeth. Combing hair. Yes, HAIR, hair. Here you will write R. Yes. Now let's move ahead and cross this one. Fill the colored box to complete name of body parts. See here. T. This one, what do we call? Torso. Spelling TORSO, torso. Nail. NAIL, nail. N-O-S-E, nose. Here S will come, isn't it? E-Y-E, eyes. Yes. E-A-R, ear. Here A will come. Yes, student, we have learned about main body part, head, trunk and limbs. Head is the uppermost part of our body, trunk is the middle part, and these are our limbs, our arms and our legs. And our body part help us to do many things. We see with our eyes, smell with nose, breathe also with our nose, we speak with our mouth, we eat with our mouth, we hear with our ear. Yes, and we write with our hand, we eat using our hand, we hold things with our hands. With our legs, what we do? We run, walk with our legs. Yes, and what is the use of hair? You remember? It keeps our head warm. Yes, what is the use of teeth here? Yes, what is the use of teeth here, student? Teeth help us to chew, bite food. Yes. So, and what is the use of nail here? Nail protects the tip of our finger. And since our body part help us to do many things, we should take care of our body part. We should bath daily. We should wash our hands daily. Yes, we should wash our face and bathing regularly with soap. We should comb our hair. We should cut our nails. Yes, we should eat healthy food, drink lots of water, drink regularly milk. Yes, students, so all these things can make. And one more important thing I forgot, to keep your keep your body healthy, we should regularly do exercise and play outdoor games. Yes. And lastly, we should never make fun of people who do not have some of the body parts. We should try to help them. Okay. So with this, let's end our chapter here, student. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.